What a crazy list, no?
Grabe talaga mga fashionista talaga. But now it's time to present, no? And the Zine Fluential Style Star Award goes to Catherine Bernardo! Woo!
Catherine Bernardo.
Congratulations.
However, she's not here to receive the award, so we are honored.
To accept the award on her behalf.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Zine.
Thank you, thank you.
Zine starts breaking news! Lumipad daming songs sa
Grabe, gets kita, Alexi. Siyempre, kailangan makinig habang kumakain, naliligo ka, o kaya nag-workout ka, di ba?
Diba? Ang daming rising stars eh. And they really define the soundtrack of my 2025. As in, na-take up nila lahat ng free time ko. Nakikinig lang talaga ako sa kanila. And, Jay, actually nakikita ko dito, may request daw. Tama po ba? May nire-request sila na
Ano yun?
paano yung workout mo?
Workout?
Dali
Ito
daw
ba?
bang sample?
Ito.
Ay!
Hindi, joke lang. Medyo madami tayo nakain dun sa labas kanina eh. Ang sarap nung lechon by the way.
Lechon, yes.
Yeah.
So, yan ang nag-take up ng space ngayon. Next time na raw po, i-invite na kami ulit. Oh, well, huwag na natin patag. Okay! And the Zine Fluential Breakout Artist of the Year is...
Sino kaya? Hey, Jude!
Congratulations!
Hello! Good evening, everybody! We are Angel. Thank you so much, Zine! Grabe, first time namin to be part of Zine and thank you for this award. Mabuhay ang OPM, guys! Thank you, thank you.
One na lang eh.
Thank you, Angel, and congratulations, of course.
Congrats, guys! Very well deserved. I love the outfit, love the skirt.
So, our next award is the Influential P-Pop Group, and it goes to the group that set the stage for the feels. So, ito yung lyrics nila. Shooting for the stars, aiming high.
Sino? Parang, sino?
Yeah.
SB19.
The third one.
Ito ang third one. Ako, broke our hearts with this line. Isang halik mo'y babalik ang kalakasan ko.
Sino kaya yun?
Sino kaya? Parang nandito sila kanina lang.
Dito ba sila?
Oo eh. Hot group! It's SB19! Well, we will be accepting the yes. Wow, paano yung SB19?
Pass.
Papas. Bakit? Well, again, in behalf of SB19, since they're not available today, kami po ang tatanggap ng award nila on their behalf.
Alright, thank you natin yung mga nominees, of course. Congratulations sa lahat na nominate ngayong gabi. But anyway, of course, I already have the envelope with me. So, of course, the winner of the Zine Influential Music Award is... We have a guess. Meron ba kayong hula? Dito sa kaliwa, sinong palagay yung winner? Ha? Ay, naku. Sa gitna, sa gitna. SB, sa kanan. Okay, guys. But the winner of the Zine Influential Music Award is... Cup of Joe! Congratulations, Cup of Joe! You are the Influential Music Award winner. Yeah, congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
True pillar in our growth and success.
It helped me evolve not just as a content creator, but also as an entrepreneur. Through this platform, we've been able to reach more people, help more people, and change lives every single day. And this is something I will always be grateful for. To anyone out there building something from scratch, remember, every big dream starts with one brave step. Don't be afraid to begin small. Don't be afraid to fail. It will only make you stronger and wiser. Keep showing up even on the days it feels impossible. Because one day you'll look back and realize every strength, every setback, and every start again moment was shaping you and preparing you for the very thing you used to pray for. Here's to the courage to begin, the strength to continue, and a heart to lift others along the way. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, left with Danny, show your pearly white. Mr. Every, we cannot let you go without saying a little speech, a little thank you speech for everybody here.
Ang pogi naman.
Baka yung gagawin na.
First day ang mga dito.
Alagang Villa Medica eh.
Anong secret sa pagiging fresh?
Ang secret ko lang, though hindi na siya secret kasi alagang Villa Medica, basta kay Villa Medica, laging fresh ka.
Ay, bakit yung upcoming ganap o project mo? Meron ka ba mga naka-line up na project?
May naka-line up. Start na itong December 13, isi-shoot pa lang. And it's a Viva Film. So cinema, first ever cinema movie ko to.
Paano next year ba siya?
Next year pa siya.
So ano yung parang without spoiling, ano yung parang character mo? Pwede na ba?
Yeah, pwede naman. Character ko dito ulit, isang spoiled brat na bad boy ulit.
Sexy ba to?
Hindi naman siya sexy.
Hindi
Hindi naman siya sexy.
So bali, Viva Film siya. So,
Viva Film.
May mga, pwede na bang sabihin ka? So anong genre niya?
Rom-com and action.
So parang first time mo ba mag-rom-com at action?
First time ko and first time ko din makaka-work tong veteran actor na to na ever since tinitingala ako na to, and I'm a big fan of him.
Mas yung workshop? Mag-workshop ka ba?
Yeah. Etong upcoming Sunday workshop namin. So, excited ako.
Christmas wish?
Christmas wish, more work, more film, and sana umuwi na dad ko dito sa Pilipinas.
And plans for 2026?
2026, plan ko matupad lahat ng pangarap ko and my manager and more endorsement. Ayun.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Happy birthday! Masaya na, masaya na. Masaya na.
Kami si Chanta.
Thank you.
Hi, Daniel.
Hi guys!
Okay, so meron ba kayo pwedeng i-share na sobrang busy tips on how to balance self-care and business with anyone you know?
When we talk about fun, what comes to mind? What if I tell you there is an ad brand or eye drop brand like that? So fresh. What do you say about that? Kailangan na. Sinabi ni Jay na which is important by the way. For me, kailangan mo ng fuel to help you with your sleep and everything. dapat balance diet. Mag-next kayo dito, ma'am.
Yeah.